Hi, this is Miss M. Let's have the lesson chapter 7, Quadrilaterals. Today we have midpoint theorem and intercept theorem. So let's start. In the figure, you can see the points F, G, H. They are the midpoints of the lines PS, PR, and QR. Besides, FGH is a straight line with SR is 10 cm, FH is 7 cm. The question is find the length of PQ. As is given, SR is 10 cm. So we start from the triangle on the upper right-hand corner. That is triangle PSR and triangle PF3. As told in the question, PF is equal to FS. P3 is equal to 3R. So by the midpoint theorem, F3 is equal to a half of SR, which is 10 cm. So the line F3 is 5 cm. Hence, we can find also this part, 3H. As FH is 7, F3 is 5. So the length at 3H is 2 cm. Then let's go to the triangles on the lower left-hand corner. That they are triangle RPQ and triangle R3H. As given in the question, RH is equal to HQ. R3 is equal to 3P. So by the midpoint theorem, PQ is equal to 2 times 3H. So as 3H, we got it already, 2 cm. So by solving this equation, we can find the length PQ. Okay, let's go to another question. In this question, find the unknowns A, B. It's given some lengths, say as 3 cm, 6 cm, 2 cm, 4 cm. Let's consider the triangles AF3 and ABC. That on left, AF is equal to FB 4 cm. On right, A3 is equal to 3C 6 cm. So by the midpoint theorem again, A is equal to a half of this BC 8 cm. So A is 4. Then the next, we consider the triangles on top. Triangle ADE, triangle AF3. Again, it's told on left, AD is equal to DF 2 cm. On right, AE is equal to E3 3 cm. So by the midpoint theorem again, we can find the unknown B, which is a half of the length of A. So B is equal to 2. Let's go to the third question. Here in the question, you can find some equal lengths, say as the XCM, and also some parallel lines. So let's state these given conditions. And this time, by the intercept theorem, we can draw the conclusion that the lengths below are all equal, so which is 11 cm long. Hence, we set up the equation 3x minus 7 is equal to 11. So we can find the unknown x is 6. So similarly, the unknown 5x minus y is also equal to 11 by the intercept theorem, while x is 6. So substitute, we got this equation. And here you find the unknown y is a negative. So I would like to put y to the right-hand side. That is positive. Then we can find the unknown y easily, which is 19. Well, let's go to the last question. In this question, we have unknowns A and B again. And we have given some right angles. and equal lengths. Let's consider the triangles below. That they are CDA and C3F. As given, the angles at D and G are right angles. We sum them up and get the value 180 degrees. So they are interior angles. While the sum is 180 degrees, so the lines are parallel by the reason interior angles supplementary. Hence, you have the parallel lines AD is parallel to 3F. And also the equal length AF is equal to FC. Then by the intercept theorem, you can draw the conclusion. D3 is equal to 3C. And hence A is a half of 16. Then the next, we consider the triangles on the upper right-hand corner. The triangle ABC and triangle AEF. And this time we have the right angles at 3 and C as well. So they are corresponding angles. By the corresponding angles equal, so we draw the conclusion that E3 is parallel to BC. With the parallel lines and equal lengths, then we have AE is equal to EB by the intercept theorem. Hence, the unknown B is equal to 2 times of 10, which is 20. Okay, so I hope you got all this. Hence, let's end the lesson here. See you next time. Bye-bye.